In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rhyme song in ElevenLabs. We'll go from opening the app to submitting a clear prompt that produces singable, rhyming lyrics with a catchy chorus. First, open the ElevenLabs homepage. This is your main dashboard and the quickest way to access all creative tools within the app. On the left side of the screen, click Music. That takes you into the music workspace, where songs are generated from natural language prompts. Think of this area as your composer's desk. You describe the result you want, and the system writes toward that goal. Next, choose Create Prompt. This opens a text box where you'll give precise instructions. The more concrete and unambiguous your request, the more consistent the output tends to be. In the prompt field, type, "Create a rhyming song with a catchy chorus. Make the lyrics easy to sing, with each line ending in a rhyme. Use short lines, clear verses, and a memorable chorus." This wording gives the model a structure to follow. Short lines improve phrasing and breath control when performing. Clear verses organize the story and build anticipation for the hook. Insisting on end-line rhymes strengthens musicality and makes the song easier to remember. Keeping syllable counts relatively even across lines also helps rhythm, and calling out a catchy chorus ensures repetition and a strong focal point. If you already have a style in mind, you can fold it into the same prompt mention, genre, mood, or tempo, while keeping the core instructions intact. When you're ready, press Enter or click Send. That submits your request and starts generation. After a brief moment, your rhyming song will appear based on the instructions you provided. If the first pass isn't quite what you had in mind, refine the language in your prompt, tighten the rhyme request, clarify the tone, or specify how energetic you want the chorus to feel, and send it again to steer the results. And that's it. By navigating to music, opening Create Prompt, pasting clear guidance, and sending it, you'll quickly produce lyrics built around strong end rhymes and a memorable chorus in ElevenLabs.